Here I have HONOR X7A, and today I'm going to show you how to remove screen lock from this device in case if you set yourself PIN, password or pattern and unfortunately you completely forget it and can't even unlock your device right now. So what can you do in this kind of a miserable situation? Firstly, you will have to turn your device off by holding down power key, tap power off, and after it turns off completely, hold down combination of keys power key plus volume up and for the couple of seconds like this. After the phone vibrates, HONOR logo appears on the screen. After a few seconds you can release power key and keep holding only volume up. Then wait until the screen goes off again, and after that you can release all the keys and just wait. In the following menu, using volume keys to navigate and power key to select, you have to select the second option, clear data, and then select factory reset, then type yes and select factory reset. And after a few seconds, all the data from your device will be erased and deleted, including your photos, videos, music, contacts, files, documents, everything, apps, your settings, and also your lock screen password. So after it's done deleting, you go back and then select restart and your device will be restarted about a minute or two. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.